Good morning, everyone. It's Mr. Barth again. We are going to do a quick review of solving 1- and 2-step equations. I picked out 6 problems that are similar to the ones that you may see on the quizzes for today's assignment. Feel free to pause this video or stop and rewind it at any time so that you can make sure to catch what's going on. All right, here you go. I got 6 problems here. All right, these are all one step on this first page. All right, so I have y plus 10. I want to get the y alone. We always box the variable, or the term with the variable, to get this by itself. All right, so to get that alone, I'm going to do the opposite here. I'm going to add negative 10. You may also subtract 10. So I'm going to cancel negative 8 and y is isolated. I am done. Okay, I have k divided by 5, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. Okay, these cancel, and I get k equals negative 15. And that's isolated. I am done. Here's a multiplication problem. We see multiplication, we do division. Okay, so I'm trying to get this x by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4 by negative 4. Cancels, or comes out to be a giant 1. You guys have all seen me do this. Okay, and I get x by itself, and negative divided by a negative is a positive, so I have x equals 3, and that's isolated. Now, keep in mind on any of these, if you have an issue or you're not sure, take it and plug it back into the equation. If I have negative 8 plus 10, that's 2. That's how I know it's right. If I take this negative 15 and put it in here, negative 15 divided by 5 is negative 3. That's how I know. Same up here. If I take this 3 and I plug it into the original equation, okay, if I block this off here, okay, that's negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. That's how I know I'm right. All right, let's do some two-step real quick. Now again, in my class, what we did was first we isolate the term with the variable. So we're going to get that alone first. Means I have to get rid of the adding 24. So I'm going to add negative 24. Add negative 24. These cancel. I get 76 equals 4x. Now this looks like the one-step equations we just did. All right, I'm going to divide both sides by 4 so I can get my 1 here. You guys see me do this. Okay, that cancels and I get x equals 19. Use a calculator here if you need to. Okay, I can't guarantee that all these answers are going to be whole numbers or integers for that matter. X equals 19. I have my variable isolated. Here's another one. Box up the term with the variable. Okay, I usually make these into addition problems before I start, and some of you guys are all thinking in your head, keep, change, flip. That's good. Okay, so I'm going to add 9, put my line, keep all very organized here. Again, we've done this 1,000 times. Negative 36 plus 9, positive plus a negative is, you're going to subtract them and then take the sign of the larger absolute value. All right, and bring down my negative 3y. Now I'm going to get that alone. Divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3, cancels, and I get y equals 9. Okay, last one here. This is a little different one. I got an addition and a division problem. All right, this is the term with the variable. So I'm going to have to get rid of the plus 9 here. All right, so I'm going to add negative 9. You could say subtract 9 if you want. Add negative 9. That cancels. X over negative 2, bring that down. Negative 1 plus negative 9 is negative 10. I have a feeling I'm going to get a lot of people here on this. The answer has nothing to do with 5. Okay, I need to get this alone. So I'm going to do the opposite of divided by negative 2. That's multiplying by negative 2. Oops. I like to put negative 2 over 1 and negative 2 over 1. These cancel, and I get x equals 20. And again, keep in mind, if you are not remembering, take them and put them back in there. Okay, if I take 19 and I put it in here, okay, oops, did I cut off the bottom there? I should have ended up, it should have ended up x equals 20. You can see at the bottom of my paper there. cut that off. Sorry about that. If you take the 19 and plug it in, that's 4 times 19 is 76 plus 24 should equal 100. So you can go back and check these. All right. Good luck. And hopefully a lot of this seems familiar to you. Have a great day.